Hello, Francois from howtobecomemore.com. Welcome back to Insights for Better Living. Today, we're going to talk about 3 tips to help you achieve your goals faster in 2022. So, 3 tips. Here's number one: clarity. Make sure that you're clear on what it is that you want. A confused mind takes no action. Therefore, clarity will enable you to hit your goals faster for 2022. Number two, chunk it down. What do I mean? Make smaller pieces of the big goal or the things that you want to achieve. You see, when we look at something that's so big, we get overwhelmed and we take no action. We get stuck real fast. Taking no action is being stuck. And therefore, if you chunk it down in smaller pieces and then you put them on your agenda and you do a to do list of activity management rather than time management, I'll touch that on another video someday. And so, chunking it down will enable you to take bite-sized approach and gain the momentum necessary to put you on the trajectory. Number three, repetition. What do I mean, repetition? Continue again and again to be able to repeat the simple steps and actions that you have allowed on your calendar. And as you repeat them, they start to become habitual. And when they become habitual, what I like to say is you spend less time and you accomplish way more. How would you like that? Spending less of your time to accomplish way more. Making a habit of those actions is what's needed. And that's number three, through repetition. So here we go again. Number one, get clarity on what it is that you want. Number two, chunk it down in pieces to help you achieve it so it's bite size. And number three, repeat those actions so they become habitual. And therefore, you spend less time to accomplish way more. That's one of the best ways for you to put into action right now to achieve great goals in 2022. I'll try even and put a link in the description below so you can have access to a free guide to help you do this. Until next time, make it a great day. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you can be notified every time a great video like this comes out. And share with your friends so they too can benefit from insights for better living. Have yourself a good one, and thanks for being here.